In 2026, it's easier to make $10,000 a month than at any point in history. The tools are free, the information is everywhere, and yet, more people are burnt out and broke than ever before. Why? Because you aren't being robbed by a thief in the night. You're being drained by 7 invisible habits that are hard-coded into your daily routine. Today, I'm exposing the leaks, and if you stay until habit number 7, the ghost subscription of the mind, I'll show you why your brain is actually allergic to making money right now. Habit number 1, the algorithm tax. Every time you scroll a For You page, you aren't just losing time, you're paying a tax. In 2026, advertising isn't a billboard. It's a hyper-personalized psychological strike. You think you need that new AI-integrated ergonomic desk chair? No. The algorithm just knows your dopamine levels were low at 11 p.m. and served you a solution. The fix: turn off personalized ads in your settings. If the algorithm doesn't know what you want, it can't tempt you to spend. Habit number 2, horizontal learning, the skill trap. Most of you are productivity tourists. You spend Monday learning AI prompting, Tuesday researching crypto, and Wednesday watching a video on real estate. This is horizontal growth. You're moving, but you're staying at the surface. The fix: use the rule of 1. 1 skill, 1 monetization method for 90 days. Vertical growth is where the money is. Stop being a jack of all trades and start being a master of one. Habit number 3, the lifestyle micro-leak. We used to talk about the latte factor. That's outdated. In 2026, it's the micro-SaaS factor. That $9 a month AI headshot generator, the $12 a month focus app you never opened, the $5 a month Patreon you forgot about. It feels like nothing, but it creates financial friction. The fix: once a month, use a burner card or a subscription manager to kill everything. If you don't miss it in 48 hours, you didn't need it. Habit number 4, high-octane comparison. You're comparing your chapter 1 to someone's chapter 20. But in 2026, that person's chapter 20 is probably filtered by an AI beauty and lifestyle lens anyway. Comparison is the thief of joy, but it's also the killer of consistency. You quit because you aren't a millionaire in 3 weeks. The fix: mute everyone in your niche who makes you feel behind instead of inspired. Habit number 5, the tomorrow loop, analysis paralysis. We have more data than ever. You're waiting for the perfect time to start because you're scared of the 2026 market volatility. Here's the truth: the cost of inaction is now higher than the cost of a mistake. While you analyze, someone with 10% of your intelligence is already out-earning you because they hit upload or buy or call. Habit number 6, low-value social circles. If your friends are still complaining about the economy instead of finding ways to leverage it, they are an anchor. In a digital world, your circle includes the creators you watch. If you're consuming doom-scrolling content, your bank account will reflect that pessimism. Habit number 7, the ghost subscription. The final habit keeping you broke is the ghost subscription to your old identity. You are trying to build a 2026 income using a 2019 mindset. You're still looking for safety in a world that only rewards adaptability. You think a 9-to-5 is safe and a side hustle is risky? In this economy, having only one stream of income is the riskiest thing you can do. The fix: you need to cancel the version of yourself that is afraid to fail in public. The moment you stop caring about looking cool is the moment you start getting paid. If you're ready to cancel those 7 habits, comment "decided" below.